Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning volatility report. It is the stock market volatility report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to said volatility report. I'm filling in for Mark this week as he is in Las Vegas with Leisha. So if you want to meet him, if you want to meet Leisha and you're at the Money Show in Vegas, go check him out there. If you want to check out our events, okay. We just had our daily and weekly option strategy class. If you're an OptionPit subscriber, you get it for free, right? You get it as part of your subscription. We are going to do 2 more in December and January about introduction to Greek risk analysis. And then the January class will be hedging strategies for long-term investors. So if you don't quite understand how to hedge equity portfolios, individual equities, but do it on like a 3, 6, 12-month basis, this will be the class for you. So if you're a money manager or you have equity positions that you want to hedge or trade, or really the key is just generating more dollars, that will be the class for you on Jan 19. And what I would recommend is taking the class to Greek analysis first, or you could just take our gold class and you could get $600 worth of classes for included in your $1,500 gold subscription. So send a note to me, Andrew at OptionPit.com, or Mark at OptionPit.com, and we'll get you straightened out. All right, so what do we have going on? Okay, just weakness. Now we have a couple things. We are just starting to see VIX move a little bit higher and the curve flatten a little bit. Right? We're almost all totally backward. So usually, to me, that's a signal for we're getting a little bit messy. And again, market has been real unsure. Right after the election, we had that vol drawdown. I think VIX traded 16, and now it's back up. Okay, vol here is moving, I would say, kind of all over the place. Nvidia down a lot. As I pull in some, let me see here. As I pull in, we have semiconductors down. Basically, this is the way I look at this is we have a sliding market, right? The market is continuing to be weak. So you want things that are going to make money if you start sliding away. Meaning what? Upside VIX. SPY put butterflies, QQQ put butterflies, all kinds of stuff like that, where the market just keeps sliding around, and those types of positions are the things that are going to pay you. So I thought we had a bit of a vol dip after the election, but none of the noise that came out of Washington sounded very positive, not very economically positive. Really what came out was like, how are they going to finance, interest costs on the debt, interest rates are going up, and I think there's nerves, right? So we're not seeing like the great stuff to kick us up. Another thing too is the QQQs again are starting to look weak. Apple is looking weak. Everything is it's really blasé, and I have to say it's just all very underwhelming, right? I mean, if I'm looking at these trades, is it possible for us to see lower lows or the old lows by the end of the year? Yeah, why not? As crazy as it sounds, we have been looking in our gold class in Amazon for trades that make money when Amazon moves $100 in a week. Amazon's been moving $100 every 2 days. So, in general, like the higher vol for these names, they're just not going away. So I think the trades you want to be able to trade, the volatility move around on the slide. That's the biggest thing. So, as of right now, and even in my vol newsletter, we basically are long some vol upside, and we're piecing some out as volatility goes up, and that's what we have. There was only a small opportunity to close some shorts. And for now, we're sitting on those positions. So anyway, I don't see anything changing, right? Because right now we need a positive catalyst, and I'm trying to look where that positive catalyst comes from, except from Santa Claus coming in December. All right. I will be in our chat room at 11 Eastern, 10 Central. We'll cover 3 or 4 types of trades to basically manage this environment. Do I think this rally gets bought? I don't know, maybe. But as of right now, everything is just kind of sad and heavy. And until we see some better news, it looks like that's what we're going to get. All right, everybody, have a good morning, and I will talk to you later.